I graduated my college in 1988. It looks like your audience for today looks very young, but I finished my college in 1988. I joined investment investment bank in Tokyo right after that, right? And as you can imagine, shortly after, the Nikkei index peaked. So a lot of people told me that you don't have any sense of market because I put my career into the investment industry at the peak of the market, right? It's a shame, right? As you know, it took 35 years to recover the level of 1989, right? We never expected that kind of long, the underperformance of the Japanese markets. And I'm pretty sure you are very familiar with lost decades or any kind of downturn of the Japanese market. So I don't want to repeat that things. But probably I'd like to share what is optimism at the time, right? What is the euphoria of the Japanese market in late 1980s, right? Japanese market started rally early 1980s at the level of 6,500 at the Nikkei index, right? It went up like 39,000 in less than 10 years. So it went up six-fold in less than 10 years, right? And also, Japanese yen appreciated significantly after Plaza Accord in 1985. It went up from 260 level to 120, right? With the combination of the strong equity market and strong yen, Japanese equity market, particularly from US investors' perspective, shoot up, right? At the peak, I recall that the share of Japanese market in MSCI was something like 47% of MSCI. It's a global equity. The Japanese market represented 47% at the time, right? So we have a lot of euphoria, mania at the time, and particularly Japanese property market has very strong, right? The value of the entire Japanese property market at the time is 4 times more than the entire US property market. Can you believe it? And the very symbolic event was Mitsubishi Real Estate acquired controlling stake of Rockefeller Center, right? We faced a lot of criticism because Japanese corporate bought the symbolic the building of the U.S. Capitalist, right? This is a kind of a market. I would say very similar to the current AI tech euphoria, right? And I'm basically very optimistic about AI in the long run, but the six-fold in less than 10 years, this is a very strong market we never see.